Pi cryptocurrency is shaking the world even in its closed mainnet. The present Pi network pointers are 50 million worldwide. Many people are still unaware, so we bring this topic into the limelight. In this guide, we will explore all about Pi cryptocurrency. The Pi network craze is evident when we see the engagement of the pioneers. Like they contribute to the Pi feast, buying goods with the use of Pi. Many businesses openly open the door to the pioneers to buy goods around the world. Now let's see what it is exactly. What is Pi cryptocurrency? Pi is a cryptocurrency created by Nicholas Kokoles and Chungyao Fan, researchers from Stanford University, in 2018. The key features of Pi cryptocurrency are: Pi can be mined directly on a smartphone using the PiNetwork app, without requiring any specialized mining hardware. However, users simply need to open the app and tap a button daily to earn Pi. Pi uses a referral system where users can earn more Pi by inviting others to join the network. Additionally, the more people you refer, the more Pi you can earn. Pi coins are currently stored within the PiNetwork app and cannot be sold or exchanged. The developers plan to launch the Pi by the end of 2024, at which point users will be able to transfer and trade their Pi. The total supply of Pi is capped at 100 billion coins, and the mining rate decreases over time through a halving process similar to Bitcoin. Pi is built on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP, rather than the energy-intensive proof-of-work model used by Bitcoin. Pi is built on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP, rather than the energy-intensive proof-of-work model used by Bitcoin. Factors that affect Pi crypto value. The value of Pi cryptocurrency is influenced by several key factors. Market demand and supply. If there is a high demand for Pi coins, the price is likely to increase. Conversely, if demand decreases, the price may fall. The scarcity of Pi coins can also drive up the value if demand is high. Adoption and real-world use. The more Pi is integrated and used in mainstream businesses and services, the more valuable it becomes. Bitcoin's growing adoption sets a precedent that can positively impact the perception of cryptocurrencies like Pi. Technological developments. Positive advancements in Pi's technology and the broader crypto space, including Bitcoin, can influence Pi's perceived value. Bitcoin's technological stability and ongoing developments are particularly important. Market sentiment. Favorable news, achievements, and positive sentiments about Pi's future can propel its price. However, Pi's sentiment is often interconnected with Bitcoin, as positive views on Bitcoin's future can create a favorable environment for altcoins. Regulatory environment. Government policies and regulations surrounding cryptocurrencies can significantly impact Pi's value. Positive regulatory news can boost investor confidence, while negative news, like potential bans, can decrease Pi's value. Is Pi cryptocurrency real or fake? Yes, Pi cryptocurrency is real. It has been 5 years since Pi is still in closed mainnet. The question arises of its credibility from time to time, but as per my research, being attached to this crypto is not fake. Listen, Pi is real, and for any crypto to be mature requires time. Similar debates arose during the time of Bitcoin that it's fake and all that, but the result is in front of you. The developers test its nodes and have some preset conditions to take it into the real world. So, for me and many experts, the Pi is real. When Pi will be launched? If you mining Pi, you can see the progress of it. Various things are happening around, like the current announcement by the Dr. Nicholas Kokoles on Pi Open Network. He clearly stated in one video that this is the last Pi 2 day before the open minute, and the conditions like 15 million KYC pioneers to be catered, and now it's 12 million achieved. The second condition was to migrate 10 million pioneers to Mainnet, and currently 5.79 million pioneers achieved. Lastly, The third condition was to set 100 Pi apps, and currently 70 Mainnet or Mainnetrity apps are there. So, based on these conditions and announcements, we can speculate that Pi will be launched by the end of Q1 2025 for sure.